Nanotechnology deals with materials, devices, and systems at the atomic and molecular scale. At this minuscule level, materials exhibit unique properties that differ from their larger counterparts. Scientists use advanced tools like scanning electron microscopes to observe and manipulate individual atoms. Nanoscale structures are built through self-assembly or deliberate assembly of atoms and molecules. Nanotechnology has a wide range of applications across healthcare, energy, electronics, and environmental sectors. In healthcare, nanoparticles are used for targeted drug delivery and cancer treatments. Nanotechnology improves solar panel efficiency and develops advanced energy storage devices. Carbon nanotubes and graphene enable smaller, faster, and more efficient microchips and devices. Nanocatalysts and nanofiltration systems are used for air and water purification. Nanotechnology produces stronger, lighter, and more durable materials for construction and automotive applications. Nanobiosensors detect pathogens in food, and nanocomposites improve food packaging and production. Nanotechnology has the potential to revolutionize various sectors and address global challenges. Explore the exciting world of nanotechnology and stay updated on the latest developments.